Assalamu Alaikum, friends. Today, I will show you how to start learning about AI in a simple and easy way. You don't need to be an expert. Let's learn step by step and have fun.
Why should we learn AI? Artificial intelligence is everywhere. It helps us write better, study faster, and do everyday tasks more easily. Learning AI can make your life better, and anyone can start. Yes, even students like you. Simple AI tools to try. Here are some easy tools you can use today. ChatGPT, you can ask it questions, get help with homework, or learn new things. Canva AI, a tool to make creative designs, like posters or school projects. Notion AI, it helps you organize your tasks and ideas. These tools are simple to use. Just type what you need, and they will help you. Where to learn about AI? If you want to learn more, here are some free platforms. Khan Academy, it explains AI in very easy language. Google AI experiments, you can play with AI and learn how it works. Coursera, search for free courses like Introduction to AI. You don't need hours. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day is enough to start learning. Practice makes perfect. The best way to learn AI is by trying it yourself. Use ChatGPT to solve your problems or Canva AI to create something for your class. Try one tool at a time, and soon you'll feel confident. Create something fun. AI isn't just for studying. You can also use it to make art, plan a project, or learn something new. The more you use it, the more you'll understand it. See, AI is easy to learn. Start small, practice daily, and you'll get better. If you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends and comment below how AI is helping you. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple AI tips. Take care, and Allah Hafiz.